Hi guys, today we're going to be showing you how to no clip in Jailbreak. It's really simple, it's really easy, and yeah, let's get right into the video. So first of all, what you have to do is you are supposed to go to YouTube, you write how to no clip, I may be putting this in my description myself. You press on it, then you go to the video's description. So there will be an app you have to download, and if you don't want to download it, you don't need to download it. So yeah, so when you download it, you go to the file, and then you go to downloads, you go to check crash 3, press it again, and then you go to CCV3 64-bit, not 32. So then you press yes. Press OK. So you go to string, then you write here with a capital letter TORSO. Then you do first scan. You could choose the second one or anyone you want, but I just choose the second one because it's like one of my favorite. So you do this, then you write memes instead of keeping it blank. Then you go back to Roblox, you press R, you reset. Then once you've resetted, you will appear in jail, and then what you can do, you can just now literally walk through walls. This is my account that I hacking, guys. So if you guys you could just report abuse. I don't really care on this account. I have another account, but I don't no clip on that one because I don't want to get in trouble. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you guys how you can actually get away from cops by using this hack. Dang it, I got arrested. That was so annoying. But still, when you get arrested or get killed, you can still no clip, but unless you leave the game and then you come back, that's when it will be gone. Like, that is when you couldn't no clip anymore unless you do the whole process again. The process is really easy, guys. Trust me, super easy. Gonna go try kill that cop, and you can't no clip when a weapon on you sometimes in the buildings outside, but sometimes you also can. So be careful when you are holding a weapon and you're trying to get out, because that will be so hard. So then what you have to do, I'm gonna kill him. Trying to kill that cop, right? Oh my god. Bye. Nobody can catch you, like, seriously. If anybody might catch you, it's only when you like give up or something, but they can't catch you at all. This guy is not a no clipper, thanks God. No! How do you arrest me though? Ah, come on. Sorry guys for my baddest playing ever. Ah, we dropped. I gave it all. Oh yeah, and you guys, when you climb up the stairs, you can jump instead of walking, although you glitch. Because you glitch, sorry. That's right. So So the best thing is that if you are jumping up the stairs like this, you would not glitch through the map. No one can stop you, like, seriously. Like, nobody can stop you. Look at him, he's running away. Running away like a scaredy cat. Oh my god, just get away! Got him. No, dang it! No, please, God, don't. No, don't. Yes! This guy's such a noob. Guys, the sap is amazing.
Sorry for not talking a lot. So guys, yeah. Hopefully you don't get arrested by these cops.
Oh my god. This is actually so easy. They think they can arrest me. Guys, I don't normally hack. I just got bored because of seeing people like hacking and annoying me all the time. Like, look at this guy. One hit and he's done for. So, this guy's is really interesting. I like to stay in a prison the most time. Instead of getting out of prison and then going robbing things. Like, obviously my favorite thing is like to go and juke some... What? I'm not even a cop. Is he following me? This guy's dead. This guy's on the run. No! Does not matter, guys. And if you want to know who's a hacker, you could just see them when they die. Instead of like spreading or shattering whatever, they just stand still and die. Like dolls. Like that's what it is. What? Oh my god, that guy took the key card. Dang it. Like, see. Unless you like give yourself up and then just go to the policeman yourself, like on purpose, that's when you get arrested. Guys, please do not report abuse on me. Well, report abuse on this account, but not the other account. Because the other account didn't even do nothing. He can't even get me, dude. He's the crappiest policeman I've ever seen. No, dang it!
Do subscribe.
Guys, please leave this video a like if you enjoyed. And I hope you guys had a fantastic day. Peace.